We leave the Elephant Seal Coast behind and turn north toward a quieter, wilder stretch of Highway 1. From the viewing area parking lot, we stop at the highway and wait for a safe opening before turning right. Back on Highway 1, the Pacific appears to our left while golden pasture and dark coastal mountains rise inland. The busy wildlife stop quickly disappears behind us. Ahead, traffic thins and the landscape opens into long, empty distances. Guardrails follow the curves as the highway crosses shallow valleys, with ranch fences tracing the contours of the hills. Cloud shadows drift across the slopes, changing the colors from bright gold to deep olive and brown. For much of this section, the ocean sits just beyond the low land to our left, appearing and disappearing with each rise. The road begins to curve more often, a subtle sign that the gentle ranch coast is gradually becoming rougher terrain. There are no towns or services in view now, only the highway, distant mountains, and wide bands of open grassland. A glimpse of blue returns on the left as Highway 1 descends toward another broad sweep of the coast. The openness is what makes this drive memorable. Every mile feels farther removed from the towns we passed earlier. We continue north without rushing, following the quiet curves toward the more rugged reaches of California's central coast. See you on the next road. Goodbye.